Hi sir, may come in po.
Yes.
Good day sir, Madam Santana po. Sa Tinkers po Matasan ng Student Pasig po. Can I ask for your name, birth and age please?
My name is Andre Joseph Garcia and I'm 19 years old. I was born on January 5, 2006.
Okay sir, can you show me your ID po? Sir John Joseph Garcia, born in ano po sir?
January 5.
January 5, 2006, sir. Okay, sir, so the physician asked me po to conduct breast assessment po sa inyo. So the purpose po nito is to check if meron po kayong many signs of breast cancer with woman. Is that okay for you, sir? Okay, sir, so I will now begin by giving my patient privacy and also performing an ID. Sir, as a perform an hygiene, since you're a male patient naman po, may tatanong na po kasi, sir. Gumagamit po ba kayo ng medications na possible po na magpalaki o magpaliit po ng breast natin?
Hindi.
Okay. Sige po. So, I will now first, sir, inspect ko lang po yung breast, yung area po sa breast mo. Ano po ba, sir? So, sir, I can see naman po that your skin of the breast is similar to your abdomen naman po, sir. So, I will now also inspect the areola and the nipples. Okay, sir, so I can see naman po that your nipples and areola are round and it is bilaterally equal. The color of it is similar to each other naman po. There's no signs of there's no also signs po of inverted nipples. And I also noticed, sir, that your breast po is kinda similar to a girl, mainly due to siguro po na medyo chubby po yung pangatawan natin. Okay po, sir. Okay po, sir. Sir, lang po sa inspecting. Sir, I will now move on po sa pagpapalpit po na axillary lymph nodes natin or yung kulani po sa dinabang natin sa kananan. Can I start, sir? Okay. Hey, wait, before pala that, sir, can you please do this, sir? There's motion, sir. How about this, sir? So, okay, I don't see any retraction naman din po sa pectoralis na ito. Okay, sir, mag-move na po ako sa palpation. Sir, angat ko lang po, sir, ha? Wala naman po sa side na ito. Okay, sir, mag-deep palpation po ako dito sa may collarbone mo po ba? Okay, sir. Wala naman ako na-palpate na kahit anong lymph nodes na visible po. Ibig sabihin po, wala po tayong sensory infections. Ang move na po ako sa kabilang side, sir, ha? Okay, sir. Sir, dito po ulit, medyo dito po, sir, ha? Okay, sir, wala na din po. Kagaya lang po nung sa left side nyo po, wala naman po ako nakita or na-palpate na movable na lymph nodes. So, sir, I will now ask you po to humiga po tayo sa second position. Ganun po. Okay, sir, comfortable po mo ito. Comfortable, sir. Pwede po natin iwalat yung paa po natin, sir. Ulit po natin dito. Okay. Okay po ba, sir?
Yes.
So, sir, I will start po sa palpating po yung breast mo po. Starting from your right side po, using the vertical. Okay na po, sir. Can I start po?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, magsistart naman po ako ngayon sa left side po. Okay po, sir. Okay, sir, so upon palpation naman po, I don't feel any lumps or bumps po. I also don't notice any redness naman po or swelling po sa sa breast tube was implanted. Now sir, papalitin ko na po ngayon yung areola niyo po yung dito. Ako na po ba, sir? So medyo isi-squeeze ko po siya, sir, ha? Okay po, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. So as you squeeze naman po, I don't see any signs of discharge. Ibig sabihin po, you're not lactating. Obviously, there are red po. Pero baka meron po kasi ibang case na mag-lactate po tayo. Pero sa inyo naman po, normal naman po na hindi po kami nag-lactate, sir. So that's it lang po sa breast assessment natin, sir. So ask ko lang po, sir, if you want to teach you how to do a self-assessment po sa breast natin or self-completion. Okay po, sir. So that's it. I will now document my findings and wash my hands and perform and close the curtains again to provide privacy for my patient. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Benedict, may nakalimutan ba ako?